Hi there, my name is Diane. I'm an information assistant at the Pierre Burton Library. Thanks for tuning in. The math activity I'd like to share is understanding symmetry. The line of symmetry is like an imaginary line that passes through the center of an image or object and divides it into two identical halves. If one side is exactly the same as the other side, then the object or shape is said to be symmetrical. A simple way to see if a shape is symmetrical is to do a folding test. Fold the shape along its middle, and if all of the edges match up, then the shape is said to be symmetrical. The fold line is the line of symmetry. This side is exactly the same as this side, so this is symmetrical. A more tactile way to show kids about how symmetry works is to build something. Form a line of symmetry with a straight edge tool like a ruler, or attach a piece of tape to your table. You could also attach a piece of tape to your floor for bigger builds. Gather some materials such as pattern blocks or cubes, even office supplies, and craft materials. Keep in mind that you'll need doubles of everything that you use. Have your child place items on one side of the line, and then the same item in the exact same position on the other side of the line. As you can see, the possibilities are endless. Older kids could get even more creative by actually making some sort of design that is recognizable. Mine is a little more haphazard. I'm just randomly arranging things so that you get the idea. And the design that forms is symmetrical.
If your child is ready, a good follow-up activity is to do a scavenger hunt in and around your home for symmetrical items. Have your child walk around and use a ruler to show where the line of symmetry is on the object. Or take a photo of each item and your child can point to where the line of symmetry is on the screen. Here are some examples of household and natural items to get you thinking. For older kids, check out David Wade's book on hoopla called Symmetry, The Ordering Principle. It has awesome drawings and explains how symmetry can be found almost everywhere.
I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this activity, please click like and subscribe to Vaughan Public Libraries on social media. If you have the opportunity to try this activity with your child, we would love to see your symmetrical images and objects. Please post them using hashtag #VPLAtHome. If you'd like to see some more educational activities for kids, please check us out on our YouTube channel. You can find us by searching using Vaughan Public Libraries on YouTube. As always, thanks for watching and stay well.